It's just another day at the coffee shop. We selling everything down to the shoes and watch. And for the right price,
How does it work for renting a limousine?
Depends on which one you rent. They rent by the hours. We have 3 available. It goes from $80 to $100 an hour.
How much is a whole day?
Well, it's $80 to $100 an hour depending on which vehicle you rent.
Oh, okay. You don't do like a deduction if it's rented longer type of thing?
No, sir.
Like every other fucking place in the business? Okay, all right, cool. So you can just do 1 hour?
Nope, we have a minimum of 4.
All right, perfect. So what are the options on the 3 vehicles?
Well, you have a 10-passenger Lincoln Stretch, you have a 14-passenger Excursion, and a 16-passenger Party Bus.
Yeah, I'll take the Lincoln Stretch. When could I get that?
Have you ever rented a limo before?
No, I never rented anything really. I didn't want to buy one, so I was like, I'm gonna try to rent one. Could we get it tomorrow, or is that not possible?
Well, it could be possible. Let me just see if we're available.
All right, perfect. Let me know. Could we get it at like 7 a.m. or is that too early? Or I could pick it up tonight or something if that works.
Wait. What? Hold on a minute. I think you're a little confused here.
Maybe. Hey, I'm just trying to drop my friend off at school.
Okay, but you don't pick anything up. We provide the driver and everything.
Oh, even better. Hell yeah.
When you said I'll pick it up tonight, that doesn't work that way.
It's okay. I'm a limo driver. So 6:30 a.m. to 10:30, that works?
That's up to you.
All right, yeah, it's good with me if it's good with you.
That sounds good to me.
All right, where do you just show up at my house then at like 6:30? Is that how it goes?
Well, we don't show up anywhere without a deposit or credit card on file.
All right, are you ready? So rude, dude. Yes. You got a score on me.
Well, I mean, I could just easily just run into you and then just...
Then do it. Then do it. Yeah, get fucked, bitch. Woo! Let's go. Let's go. On the Tesla, in this intersection on autopilot, watch this. It goes against traffic, bro. Look at this. Look at that. Dude, look at that. I'm in the wrong lane right now. Look at that. It's in the median now. That's the only section. I honestly drive with autopilot all the time, and it's like really good. But right there, I would die. They need to fix that. Can you guys fix that? It's on 776. Hey, he runs a mile on the track after school, then he misses school entirely the next day. Then he shows up in a limo. This is what kids take to school, like at prom and homecoming. And it's just Friday morning at 7 a.m. He's in a suit. Dude, fix your tie, bro, come on. Matthew, I said, I'm picking you up for school. What time? He goes, 8:30. I said, okay, I'll get you then. He goes, okay, did you get a new car or something? Kinda.
Well, I gave you all my love and I gave you all my trust and I gave you everything that you need. But you always told me lies and you made me realize that, babe, you ain't no good for me. I can't be with you, you can't be true. And I know just what I got to do. Gonna hit the ground running.
Oh, Daniel, your lunch money. Daniel. Don't fucking lose all that. Bye, Daniel. They don't even go here. Mean Girls. Oh, fun times. Yeah, this thing's clean. Lincoln Town Car. Executive.
Hello?
What's up?
What's up?
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Why is your voice so deep?
What do you mean?
Idiot, dude. All right, we're like 5 minutes away. Don't you wear a uniform to school?
No.
Oh, put your suit on then.
I don't really have pants for it.
He wore the suit, Jay. Get in over there, though.
Dude, it's huge, dude.
I know.
Bye, honey, love you.
Bye, Cassidy.
Happy birthday.
Bye, Cassidy.
It just looks better.
Bye, Cassidy. Matthew Russell. He was valedictorian at Vineland Elementary. Your favorite student?
Who's this?
Your favorite student? Where's that red carpet? I told him if he got all A's, I would do this for him.
Oh, that's cool.
Very proud of him. Ladies and gentlemen, I now present you Matthew Russell.
Yay! Good job, Matthew. Red carpet. They have to keep working hard.
L.A. Anger sucks. Fucking hate this school, bro. I went to this school. It's the worst fucking, the worst fucking school in my life ever.
Hey, you know how bad I hate it? I went here for 4 years.
You failed? Of course Frankie fucking failed a grade, dude.
I like 6th grade so much I did it twice.
You ready to say goodbye to this building?
Fuck the building, I'm saying goodbye to my car, asshole. Why don't you be a little more sensitive about the situation? That was the first car I got when I started making money, man. I was out here without a vehicle. I remember the day like it was yesterday. I went to get a Honda Civic. They didn't have any. He's like, what about this? I'm like, nah, actually, it's only $13,000. He's like, yeah. And it only had 20,000 miles on it, so I was like, I'll test drive it. Test drove it, I was like, I honestly think the Honda Fit's the best car ever made. Bought it on the spot. A lot of memories with that car. He's gonna lift it up, right, and throw it on the roof? Yeah. Oh my God, bro, it just lifted up. Dude! Oh my, oh my God, dude! Are you fucking kidding me? Can you tell him to pick it up again and throw it on the roof again? Dude. Dude, just ram it through the side like a wrecking ball. This doesn't hurt my heart at all. I thought it would a little bit. Dude. Oh, yeah. Oh, my spare tire.
Oh, baby, baby, it's a wild world. And I'll always remember you like a child girl. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Baby, I love you, but if you wanna leave, take good care. Hope you make a lot of nice friends out there. Just remember there's a lot of bad and beware.
Whoa, turn the machine off. What is that back there? It's all right, baby. Gary to the rescue. Sorry, y'all. Heard this thing from a country mile. Come on, Daniel, can you save this thing yourself? Daniel, let's play King of the Hill. Remember that game? Get up here, bitch. Hopefully you fall in there and hit your head on that concrete. I'm kidding, dude. It's a joke. You think I want my friend to hit their head on concrete? Why are you looking over the edge like it's fucking 100 feet high? It's like 3 feet high, dude. Relax. You want to talk shit? Come over to my hill, dude. Go, come on, let's go. Let's go, Daniel. Why are you breathing so heavy, Daniel?
Came for a show with my niggas selling swag. She a red bottom bitch, Versace shirt, Birkin bag. I'ma get money, nigga, don't use a car.
Hurricane proof, bitch. I don't even think these would break if we hit baseballs at them, I swear. It's just gonna bounce off, right? Hurricane proof. Oh, fuck, glass in my foot. Your cousin just beat the shit out of someone at school, laughing my ass off. Did you actually beat him up?
I just tackled him to the ground.
Did you beat him up or no? Who won?
Me.
For sure?
Have you ever loved someone so much you giving on for? Not the expression, no, literally giving on for. When they know they're your heart and you know you are their own.
Sorry y'all, Gary to the rescue. I don't know how you didn't hear. I could hear from a country mile. Carl, turn the machine off. Yeah, fuck you, bitch. Yo, go on, fuck, let's go, dude. Take two? Are you gonna say take two, action? When I was on a real set, that's what they did. Do take three though and say it.
That back then.
Don't use your Gary voice though to say Carl, you idiot.
I know, I'm not.
Trying to make two different people. Carl, turn the machine off or something like that.
Dude, I'm not fucking Gary, dude. I'm Danny, you're an idiot. Gary's fucking right there.
You're not fucking standing behind me. No.
Turn the machine. Fucking idiot, dude.